we'll guide you through how to edit TikTok videos in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your desktop and create a new project. Once you're in, go to the Media tab at the bottom of the interface. Here, you can import your TikTok video by clicking on the Import Media button or simply dragging and dropping your video file into the media pool. Next, switch to the Edit tab where you can see your video in the timeline. For TikTok, you'll want to ensure your video is in a vertical format, so head over to the project settings by clicking the gear icon in the bottom right corner. Set the timeline resolution to 1080 by 1920 to match TikTok's vertical aspect ratio. Now, you can start editing. Trim your clips by selecting them and using the blade tool to cut, then delete any unwanted sections. You can add transitions by dragging them from the effects library onto your clips. For color correction, switch to the Color tab. Here, you can adjust color balance and enhance your video's look by using the color wheels and other tools available. Once you're happy with the edit, go to the Deliver tab to export your video. Set the format to MP4, which is compatible with TikTok, and make sure the resolution remains 1080 by 1920. Choose a location to save your file and hit the Add to Render Queue button. Finally, click Start Render to export your video. Once it's done, you can upload it directly to TikTok from your computer. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.